The foreign exchange market, also referred to as the Forex market or currency market, is where one currency is traded for another. If you've travelled internationally, you've seen currency traded before. You purchased from a dealing desk trading one currency to another for their financial advantage. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day and encompasses all time zones and business regions, so trading opportunities are always available. With a daily average turnover of over $5 trillion, the currency market gives access to the largest trading volume in the world. Private traders can learn to profit from the Forex market, whether markets are trending up or down, just like those dealing desks, and Learn to Trade can show you how. Learn to Trade was founded by Greg Secker over a decade ago to teach people the skills that helped him become a multimillionaire by his mid-20s. To date, we have over 200,000 people from 82 countries attend our workshops. Learn to Trade has developed trading floors all over the world, sourcing real traders, the best of the best, who will coach you one-on-one. You won't just learn the basics, but the psychology of a successful trader. Because trading isn't about tips and tricks, it's a mindset. Learn to Trade at a free Forex workshop by registering at learntotrade.co.uk today.